baby.
Listen to this.
Okay.
Got them Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You see them? I got them with the J's on the bottom.
What up, my kings and queens? It's your boy, Kings 23 Kicks. Back here, man. Y'all already know it's sneaker release Saturday. And today is that first class flight. Those come out today. I actually did a video on that one already, an early release. Matter of fact, y'all check that out. If you haven't checked that out, that video is up. Make sure you guys check it out. But I also hit on those. So I'm out here at Barton Creek, and I'm about to go in here and go grab this other pair. And we'll see what they do. I actually just want to see if these things had sold out or not, man. That's really the purpose of me coming up here and grabbing this pair as well. I want to see if they sold out. I know they was kind of selling out, kind of trickling on the apps. That's when I checked a couple of hours ago. But I actually just want to see if they actually sold out in the stores. And so far, from what I'm seeing, they pretty much selling out in the stores, man. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. And make sure that you hit that notification bell so you can be notified of all videos that I drop. Anyone that's new to the channel, welcome to the kingdom. Hey, we're gonna rule the kingdom. We're gonna grow the kingdom. Greatly appreciate y'all for tuning in, and everybody that's already been rocking with your boy in the kingdom. Appreciate you guys for tuning back in. I'm out here, man. It's crazy because I'm looking at this circus over here, and I'm out here at Barton Creek Mall, and they got a circus over here. Let me turn this around. As y'all see that. They got a Portugal circus out here, man. And traffic getting out here was just crazy today, man. So I'm not even understanding why the traffic was so bad today. But let's go and get out of here and show y'all what we rocking with today. Fit check, man. You know, gotta, you know what I'm saying, rocking that black and gold today, man. I am not a Saints fan, but I did have to rock them damn gold toes today, man. Y'all already know, not a Saints fan at all. So, but some of my peeps, I just went off into finish line, and they didn't even get the Jordan 1 barcode at all. So, from what I was told, it was only going to certain stores because that shoe was limited. So, on the Foot Locker to go pick up my pairs, man. So, I'm gonna go get it. All right, my kings and queens. So I'm going through the mall, and I'm stopped in through my people in one of the little booths here. This is what's the name of your place, man?
Oh, Shine Essentials, man. It's this right here. It's an all-natural jewelry cleaner, bro. Get y'all shining. Barton Creek Mall, ATX, man. Hit me up.
I get it. So y'all come check my man's out, man. Man got some good stuff that'll clean your shades, clean your glasses, your jewelry.
There, got the Versace's looking right today.
You got me looking right.
Look so nice, make the neighbors look twice today, man.
That part. So my kings and queens, y'all come check them out, man. All right, my peoples, I'm back in the kingdom, chilling in the castle, but I'm in the king's quarters. I'm tired. It's been a long day. So basically, yeah, your boy basically sit up here and I doubled up. Definitely went and got it to double up. Why I did it, I don't know. It was just an instinct. Just go ahead and do it. As you can see, I did an early review on these things the other day. Like I said before earlier, if you guys haven't checked that video out, make sure that you do. But I feel like this is one of those shoes that people are gonna sleep on. And to be honest with you, like when I even went to go pick them up, I actually checked it Finish Line. When I checked the Finish Line, they were saying it was kind of limited, man. It was limited when they had the shoe. So what I want to do for y'all now today is, I know some other guys were saying that my lighting was really trash on my video, and I definitely understand that. My apologies. It's just my lighting situation when I'm working with lights and dark colors. I like to try to have it too bright, but then I like to have it bright, but then I realize having it too bright is not a good thing. So what I wanted to do for y'all is just give y'all a on foot of these things, man. I'm gonna go ahead and lace these bad boys up and give y'all some on foot footage of it. You know, y'all comment down below. Let me know, did you guys even grab these? You know what I'm saying? But I looked on StockX. I mean, they're not going that much over retail. Just checking them out. Just giving you guys another up close look of how they look. You know what I'm saying? And you guys haven't get it. Was some guys actually in line when I went and picked up my pair at Foot Locker. They were waiting on 3 o'clock, so hopefully they got theirs. I don't know. It wasn't that many people reserved. It was only one case, to be honest with you, because I actually seen the list when I went and picked these bad boys up, and my name was on there, of course, but I think it was like 7, 8 people. You know what I'm saying? So it wasn't very many of these. This is a limited shoe. I know a lot of people are feeling like, hey, that shoe is trash, it's garbage. But to be honest with y'all, what other shoes that do come out and people don't think the same thing? You know what I'm saying? Like, the Satins came out, people thought they were trash, said the same thing. When Shattered Backboards came out, you know what I'm saying? Like, people said they were just trash, they didn't want them, they looked garbage. And to be honest with you, like, I mean, it's the same type of energy when you look at the Shattered Backboard 3.0s. I mean, and I'm one of those people. Like, initially, when I seen this shoe, I'm like, I don't know about that one. That looks like garbage. It's trash. I even just did a review, my opinion on it when I just did my Clown or Crown the other day for the month. And I'm really on the fence about it, but I feel like it's one of those shoes where you're probably going to have to go ahead and cop it, and people are going to like it. And it's one of those ones that it may just go up in value. Who knows? But that's the way it is. So just giving y'all a brief overview of the shoe. You know what I'm saying? I like when Nike does this with the tags and it's not that nylon. You know what I'm saying? But this is a clean shoe, to be honest with y'all, man. Are you gonna find any like super high yellow Jordan shirts or anything like that to go with it? Probably not. I like the fact that you had that yellow swoosh on the medial side, inside the shoe, and then it's a white swoosh on the outside of the shoe. I mean, to be honest with y'all, if y'all haven't grabbed these and you know the crinkles in it, I'm not gonna lie, I did change my energy when I seen these actually in hand. The crinkles in it, I thought the shoe was gonna be like extra heckin' hard. The perforated stuff around it, I wasn't feeling it, but I mean the shoe is hella soft, man. It's a buttery, soft, smooth. It's a smooth leather. You know what I'm saying? So it's not what I thought it was. I mean, you have the perforated that's even in the collar. So, I mean, y'all comment down below. Let me know, did you guys grab these? Did you check them out? I mean, I do have 2 pair. I do wear a size 12. So if you didn't get an opportunity to grab a pair of these and you want a size 12, I mean, I'm not one for selling my shoes, but hey, DM me on my IG if you're interested. I do take PayPal, and I do have Cash App. So hit me up. I'll let you know if I decide that. If not, then you know I do have an extra pair there where I can just stow away over here in my office. Just saying. I mean, I did the same thing with the Obsidians, UNCs. I doubled up on those. I doubled up on these. So y'all comment down below. Let me know what you think. Did you grab these bad boys? Hold up. Matter of fact, get my thumbnail. I should do both boxes in my thumbnail. That's what I'm gonna do. y'all comment down below. I'm gonna go ahead and lace these bad boys up and get y'all some on foot.
My J's, I make it stink. So you better think before you get close to these damn J's. Have your body decomposed like it was hit with a set of A's and cut your ass up like it was chopped up by a set of blades. Niggas hate, I'm getting paid and make them turn twice. Cause of these real blue J's. Okay.
Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You see them?
To this, okay.
Got them Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You see them? I got them with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom.
Check out my shoe game. It's red over blue strings. Down south, a new thing. I'm a what up, what it do, man? I'm chillin' up in this booth, man. J's up on my shoe game. Air Forces with them two stains. The way that a nigga do things. Is he blue and it do swing? Red up in my shoe string.
So there you have it. First Class Flight, aka Barcode. On foot review. I know I could have did this when I did my early review, but the shoe didn't actually belong to me, so I didn't want to do it on foot with that. So I hope you guys can understand that. So y'all comment down below, let me know that you grab these things. I mean, is there any hype to the shoe? I mean, if anybody just been rocking with your boy, y'all know I'm not really a hype beast like that. I get what I get because I like it, and I cop what I want because I want it. It has nothing to do with hype or anything like that. But these were low key, kind of limited. Just saying. So anyway, as I was saying, I greatly appreciate you guys for tuning in. I've been rambling on enough. This is one of those odd little dip vlogs or whatever the case may be. Actually, tomorrow y'all be looking out for my other one. I think it's been 2 weeks. I'm gonna do a sneaker cleaning Sunday for tomorrow. So y'all tune in for that one, and that'll be dropping tomorrow. And until then, greatly appreciate y'all guys for tuning in. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. I do answer all my comments. I do love feedback that I get from you guys. It does help the channel, and it does help me grow. And if I'm growing, then you guys are growing, and y'all helping me be to do better and stuff like that. So when you guys are commenting down there, and don't think that I'm not paying attention to the comments, because I do read the comments and I do comment back. You know what I'm saying? Whether it's constructive criticism or whatever the case may be, I welcome it. I'm just gonna keep it a buck with y'all, man. I'm gonna keep it 100, and I don't know any other way to be. So I greatly appreciate y'all for doing that. You know what I'm saying? And giving me tips and stuff like that. Like me and my kicks, you know, and I think it was A1 who's letting me know about my lighting. And that's something that I've been trying to work on. I'm trying to get some more lights, but getting stuff that's stationary, you know what I'm saying? So it's just a little difficult. So sometimes you'll see me here in the King's Quarters, which is my office, because I have stuff in my office and I have stuff in my castle, which is in my shoe room. So I go back and forth because I just honestly just don't want to keep the same thing going with you guys. I want to break up the monotony, and that's why I do a bunch of different vlogs and videos and stuff like that. I did get some feedback about me wanting to do a video about my sneaker collection. I'm just trying to figure out how I'm gonna do that, and if I'm gonna have to do it in parts. I don't think I'm gonna have to do it in parts, but I want to figure out how I want to do it in parts as far as my sneaker collection. And I think I might do that toward the end of the year. I'm just trying to figure out how I'm gonna do it. But if you have any suggestions, you know, comment down below. Like I said, I'm welcome to all suggestions. I'm just trying to figure out what's the best way to do it as far as like getting it done, getting my time in it, and then, you know, working and editing and stuff like that. So anyway, greatly appreciate y'all for tuning in. To all my kings, stand up, and all my queens, make sure that you stand beside your king. And always, always, always remember, it's always the right time to do the right thing. Peace.
Right up in my shoestring, Suwu and Wuku, nigga like me do bang unless I take it easy. This game never leave me. What up to that scooter in that